All right, here's the code reader by CGSULIT. You can see the screen is nice and bright. It's not touchscreen, but it's completely illuminated. And here we go. Just trying to, there we go. And rubber coated buttons. They feel good. This is how you actuate it. Really nice. Let's see. Set up, change units of measure, all that back. Has OBD2, data stream, voltage. Let's see. Yeah, feels really good. So car's current voltage. Plastic case, nice long cord. Yeah, I think it's a good value for the money. I definitely recommend it. And I like that this IM feature for emissions. That's really nice too, so you can tell if your car is ready for emissions or not.